COHR is showing a decent amount of weakness within a longer term bullish trend. This is the 200-day moving average. It underscores its bullish trend. If you look, it is just slightly inching upwards. So given this weakness of 19, 18 point, roughly 19%, this uptrend seemed to have been derailed somewhat. So yeah, seem to have been derailed somewhat. Let's see what's going on. Um, let's have a look at the 4-hour chart, which is where the action is taking place. Yeah, you can see that. Before now, the underlying trend on this 4-hour chart, it is still bullish, but the trend, you can clearly see that this is just not just today, but before now, it's been the weakness has been in place since actually today, as a matter of fact. Yeah, lower prices are expected to remain in place up till the pre-market session of tomorrow, the 14th. After that, a bounce is expected to kick in. Before I even conclude, I'm just having a feeling that it looks like a buy, like a deep buying opportunity. Here, everything is not everything is bearish, but the indicators, the moving averages are severely bearish. However, the 21 period moving average has a robust positive derivative has positive derivatives. The second derivative on the 10 period moving average is also robust as well, robustly positive. Maybe that's why we are seeing that the bounce is about to occur in a few hours' time. So the stock is attracting significant attention in trading circles after a convergence of of catalysts, including its latest quarterly earnings and news of a planned sale of its aerospace and defense business. The divestiture is seen by some as a strategic move to sharpen the company's focus on higher growth markets such as photonics, laser technology, and AI-driven networking solutions. While the earnings headline numbers appeared strong, showing resilience in core segments and signaling steady demand from key technology partners like Apple and Nvidia. The market's after hours reaction was muted, sparking debate. So investors voiced frustration, pointing to expectations of a stronger immediate rally, while others viewed the dip as a buying opportunity, citing the company's long-term position in industries poised for exceptional growth. In online forums, traders are dissecting not just the financial results, but also Coherent's role as a critical supplier in the semiconductor and photonics supply chain, particularly in next gen AI infrastructure and high speed optical interconnects. Options traders have been active with notable discussions about put positioning as a potential hedge or speculative play on near term volatility. The conversation also touches on competitive dynamics, with bulls highlighting Coherent's diversified product portfolio and entrenched relationships with blue chip tech firms, while skeptics warn about cyclical risk in the semiconductor market and the timing of the aerospace and defense units sale. The broader narrative centers on whether Coherent's strategic shift will unlock shareholder value in the medium term or leave the stock vulnerable to sector pullbacks. Yeah, so intraday low in this session 91.15. It has actually recovered somewhat. So this weakness we are looking at here was actually worse than this intraday high in this session as well. 21 in today's session to 123.25. Did we check the projections? We don't think we checked projections. Let's see, 117.76, what current price is 1904.90. So these are indeed our projections. We have 117.76, 120.97, including this 123.25. Yeah, those are Both of them are upper projections. Let's come back to the daily chart. We don't have anything to the upside as such. 94.68 is it? Yeah, it's a downward, just a slight downward projection. Let's see. You might have okay. Um, as of Monday, the 23rd of June, we had this. We had actually met one of these projections, 120. Okay, no, we didn't meet it. 120. We have here 126.63, and then 118.90, 106.40, 1.40. Yeah, so that's what's going on right now. Let's see whether we have something else here. Reports results for okay. Mhm. Q4 loss widens despite higher revenue from data centers to sell aerospace and defense units to Advent for $400 million. Something must have spooked investors or traders. Okay, just see what you make of COHR, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.